Today, it's all about protecting the taco. We're going to be installing the EMP blocking system from Faraday Defense. Protect you from EMP blast and lightning strikes. So we're going to disconnect the battery, well, sort of. We're going to remove this bolt on the negative terminal first, and then we're going to remove this bolt on the positive terminal next. General rule of thumb when you're disconnecting the battery is always go with the negative first, and then remove the positive, and then when you put it back on, go in the reverse order. That's the general rule of thumb. So let's go ahead. This one is 10 millimeter. This one, the positive terminal, is 12 millimeter. So let's get busy. And we'll have to completely remove the bolt in order to put the EMP protection system on. Okay. Side, let's switch to 12 millimeter. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to attach the negative side first, and then we'll attach the positive side. It's pretty simple to install, but be sure you do not touch this positive side to the frame. You don't want anything short-circuiting. Okay, let's do positive side. When you install this, if it's something other than a Tacoma, you want to make sure that your hood will close with this the transit reducing auxiliary plug or trap. You want to make sure that your hood can close, and in our case we may just get a zip tie or maybe even a Velcro zip tie, and just tap it on there and just secure it that way, so it's not moving around and not making a lot of vibration noise when you're going down the road. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can pick up these Velcro zip ties at Harbor Freight. They carry them. So what the EMP blocking system does is that it will protect every electronic component connected to the battery. And that's according to the Faraday Defense website. Now they do offer full vehicle protection, offering different EMP protectors for various parts of the vehicle. But this one right here will protect everything that is connected electronically to the battery. The great thing about it is, if you don't want to spend the large amount of money to get the entire vehicle protection system, you can do bits and pieces at a time as you go along. But I'll put a link to the description down below. Thank you for joining me today. We installed the EMP blocking system from Faraday Defense. Makes me feel a lot better that the Taco is protected from an EMP blast or a lightning strike. So be sure to click like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.